All right, boys, I am ranking all the programming languages that I know well. Here we go, starting off with Java. This is the one I use the most. This is the one I use in my job, and I have a lot of experience. This is probably the first language I learned well. I'm going to put it in A tier. So the reason why is OOP had its day. I don't like a language forcing me to use a paradigm, right, to choose how I should code for me. And OOP, I mean, it has its use cases, but I'm gonna put it in A tier. It has there's a lot of libraries like Spring Boot, a huge library. Java is just that language. JIT compiler improves performance as well. But just the fact that creating a functional interface, for example, is still OOP, we're going to give it A tier. Moving on, Kotlin. Kotlin is a superset of Java. You can use Java code in Kotlin, not the other way around though. And it compiles down to Java as well. It's a pretty good language. Before I even got into a company, I saw the blog when Kotlin was released, and they were talking about null checks and how much null pointer exceptions were a thing in production, right? And at first I was like, well, that's just get good, right? Get good, kid. And I still firmly do believe that, but like I personally have not shipped any code at my company with null pointer exceptions, but I have seen a lot of people do, and it is actually pretty costly. So really big there. Swift, we're gonna put it in S tier as well. I would actually put this above Kotlin. I just enjoy it a little bit more, but they're very similar languages. What I love about Swift in particular is that it's very extensible, and Kotlin also has this. So the biggest draw that Swift has that Kotlin doesn't is how verbose a file can get. Like Kotlin still has the same problem with Java, where there's a ton of imports and stuff like that. So if they do fix that, it would be a lot smoother. All right, JavaScript, this is where we're gonna anger some script kiddies here, but it's a terrible language. It enables terrible developers and it enables terrible libraries. TypeScript, I'm gonna put it into C tier actually, and the reason why is it's obviously better than JavaScript. It's a superset of JavaScript. I think the people that complain about, I'm going to put it in B tier. The people that complain about TypeScript is that types are too complex, but that's just a skill issue. You can make it as complex or as uncomplex as you want. Python, I'm going to put it as A tier. The reason being is you can create a lot of really cool stuff, right? That's really it. Then we go is S tier. I think this would be above Swift. So in order, it would be Go, Swift, Kotlin for S tier, and probably Python, Java. It's just that language concurrency at its core, very fast, faster than Java, and you can create APIs really, really well. The standard library kicks the standard library for Java's ass.